Welcome to this RMS video where we're going to show you how to add a LAN device to the system. So first of all, go on to Tools and Setup. Under Setup, we go under Devices and we can choose from the list of groups where we want to add the device. So here I want to add the device into Europe. I click on Europe and I click on New. I have the various possibilities to add a wireless device, a LAN device, or a user device. Here, as you said, it's a video for the LAN devices, so I click on a LAN device. The device itself is already plugged in to the Ethernet network. And now on the side of the device, I read out the serial number, which is 617366165. And I click on OK. So now the RMS software will be looking for the device on the network. We have to wait a little bit. And then once it starts communicating, it'll ask you to push the button on the side of the device. So the little picture on the screen here shows you where the button is. I'll now push on the button. The LED on my device is flashing orange. It stopped flashing orange now and it is connected. I simply name the product, so here it's an RMS gateway. I can then choose the channels, so on the gateway I have the option of 5 different channels. And then I can set up a network ID, and I can also change the group if possible. I click on OK, and the system informs me that the new device has been successfully added. I click on OK, and I see on the right side of the screen that the system has given the device an ID number, or the serial number. All of the information that is relative to the device can be shown on the right hand side of the screen. Okay, thank you for watching.